Hi everyone, so the other day we went to Bunnings and got some new shovels, but they're in our shed right now and we're kind of locked out. We're finally broken into our own shed, so we'll get our stuff. Alright, so that only took us an hour to get in. Here's what we got in for. So we got this shovel here. This is just for moving dirt and compacting. This one's for digging. And this one's just to break up dirt and that, and rocks. I've just arrived here at the jumps. I'm a bit confused, honestly. There's all these tire marks here, but like, they just go over a big hole. I don't know what's happened. Here's Harley on his way. I mean, the soil's a bit damp. It's perfect really to try out our new shovels. So it should be good. I'm gonna do a time lapse. Been working for like nearly an hour now. Added a lot of dirt to this, got it compacted, kind of. Holly's just been doing some other stuff. Our shoes are quite heavy. I mean, they've got like a whole nother layer, which makes it a lot more tough. The dirt's really good. It's like sticky and wet, but it's a bit annoying working with it. But it's great for compacting. I've kind of done the top here, bit of this side. I've got a pool there, so we can't really do the back there because I don't want to stand in there, honestly. I've chucked quite a bit of dirt on the landing, but still needs to get way bigger. We want the landing to be bigger than the lip, but Harley over there likes his big lip, so that's not happening. It's been about 45 minutes since last time. I've just put water on this, compacted it really good, and I'm really happy with how it's looking. I mean, like, so smooth. So now I'm gonna do this side.
This is a Homage beat.
Just finished this side here. I'm really sore, but the jump, it's so good, and I'm really happy with it. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. There's going to be a lot more to come on these jumps. I mean, they're always changing. Harley always just gets more ideas and needs to do them, so don't worry, there'll be more. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it.